Hello winners, welcome to February and another weekly Forex forecast for gold, EURUSD, pound USD, USDCAD and pound yen. This week we're also going to cover the monthly entries and monthly targets. So this video is a bit longer, so down in the description below there's a timestamp. Click on that when you want to go to your pair. My name is Ewinningstrategy. I am a Forex trader and economist and a mentor. If you need my mentorship, in the description below there is links. Sign up and I will do my very, very best to make you a better trader. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not the indicative of future results. Whatever is said in this webinar does not contain any investment advice and should not be considered to be so. Trading Forex is entirely up to you. I am only analyzing the market for educational purposes. Okay, for December we have this entry, we have this target, we also have February. I really wanted price to close higher, around 16, but okay. What do we have now? This is, and small introduction, this is the monthly sell price, this is the monthly buy price, and this is the target for sellers. For this month it's 1504.06, just above 1500. For buyers we have an entry at 1551 and up to 1645. Okay, just a small, and that for every pair that I'm going to show you today, that's the sell price, that's the buy price for the month. Okay, and did it work? Does it normally work? Yeah, it does. So don't be shy to use them and look for setups around there, though you need rules before engagement. For this week I would say that if we come up, do this, I would be happy, because right now my bias is to sell gold for February, no matter what happened in March, in January and December. So, and it were high, so it can really do two things. It can go higher, and if it just goes higher and then pulls back and goes higher, I'm not interested in more. Okay, that's not my plan, doesn't matter. But my plan is for some kind of reversal, some kind of a new low, some kind of pullback, and then sell it. If you were very strong about it, you would say maybe this could have been the resistance. Now they are broken out. That doesn't mean anything to me, because I trade breakouts. Like when, don't trade breakouts, when price has reached above a level, it doesn't really matter to me, because for example here, that's the same thing. It's just that it hit take profit. And if I know it hits take profit, like in this week, I know that they have to take profit at some time. So I believe for this week we're maybe going down to, at least going towards 1539. At least if we come down to 1552, that's a real challenge. So if I'm entering a sell up here for this week, which I'm looking for, I would have 100, whatever it is, ounces, pips, whatever, above it before. Yeah, so that's my entry. Entry is in this area here. I want a reversal pattern. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. I don't take it. 100 ounces, whatever it is, in stop loss, and then target is at least 1552 all the way down to 1539, and in the end 1503. For buyers it's 1645. Okay, good. For Euro USD, we had a good Friday. And also what happened on Friday was that I, in my Telegram group, said this is a reversal of a key area where sellers take profit, and ta-da! It happened. This is the entry around, yeah, I guess it was 10 10.21.8, I guess it was. So just above that one. And then we have this week and this month. Okay, so for this month, we have this as the buy price. At the time, it was down here when I entered, and then it skyrocketed. So this is definitely the buy price. I don't think price will come back. I don't think. Well, I wouldn't love it if it comes all the way down here to 10.43. What was the point of it? And I believe that we might potentially come down to 10.57. I really find it very strongly. You would have to look left. What has happened before? We have December where we went some back and then up all the way to take profit. We have August, which kind of not the same because it wasn't ahead. So a bit of no man's land, I would say we ended up in. And this is the sell price. So if this can happen this week, I'm okay. So by 14th-ish, let's say 14th, yeah, 14th, I would take profit in this buy position. And then I guess we will be up here. And then I would look for sell up in here. And what else? I think that's that. That's where we're going. This is nowhere near being sold. Can it be a sell because of this resistance here? Around 11, 111? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not so confident in that because there is no monthly sell pivot here. It could, for that matter, but I find that candle there to be so strong that I doubt it. But of course, it can happen. It can happen. But that's not in my plan. I don't plan for that. And yeah, 50 pip stop loss is break even. Do I get another entry this week? I don't know. We have to see. I would in my Telegram group maybe discuss it and see where we're going next with it. But so far, it's a good entry. It's gone for those who didn't buy. You can't buy now. Maybe there's a pullback. I don't know. We shall see on Monday or Tuesday. Yeah. Pound USD. We have definitely. Oh, EURUSD. We forgot to say monthlies. Okay, so for EURUSD, we have monthly entry here to 10.43, which I don't think will be tested again. If not, it will just break below. Then we have 11.57. Target for buyers is 12.74, 12.70. Target for sellers is 109.25. Okay, remember those, put it into your charts and utilize it. For sellers, we have clear sell pivot here. We also have a clear buy at the point at the time it went up. That was the buy for the month. So it was clear support, as well as with the EURUSD, it was clear support, take profit zone and all that. Pound USD hasn't been doing anything major in January. February, I believe we're going higher, at least to 134. And if it just turns around, maybe we're going down to 129.24. I believe this is going higher because of Brexit not being as bad as people maybe thought, and we're going back to economical fluctuations in the market instead of just being Brexit related everything. But also now they will have 1 year of negotiating. So that will move the market, but not now. So I think this is a sign of relief. We're going higher until other things are being set. Okay. Pound USD target for this week is 133, 100, 200. I believe it's a good buy if it ever comes back down here again and then up there. If it sells off, fine. Then it has to do a reversal, kick this one. That's a different case. But as a buyer, this strong move here, new high, that's what I believe. But of course, it could be just be running price up to sell a bit again, but I don't believe that. So we're going higher. USDCAD, we are at monthly resistance, weekly take profit, weekly sell. Do you think this will sell off? Yeah, I think so. So you're not allowed to buy here. It could potentially just continue, but that's not really what we want, is it? So we love it. If it turns around, then we need some reversal patterns, as I've said always and always tells you. Oops, that was wrong move. And then also we want some kind of double top, pullback, failed high, new low, pullback, sell. Target for this week is 31, 38, but you can also take it down to 29 again, and 29,400. But also for this month, if it just continues, take profit is 133.90 for buyers. That is their entry at around 31 flat. I would love price to be there instead, and then going higher. So buyers wanted to go down, sellers wants to go down. If it doesn't go down, I don't know. But fundamentally, this CAD is weak. So that really worries me. Yeah, maybe CAD $9 is weaker. Okay, good. So yeah. Pound yen. What do I want? I really want this to sell off in February. That's kind of my plan. Though January did not happen as expected. Maybe this this pound will drive it up and not make it fall. But this is clearly my plan for yens, is to sell it. But some of the other yens are just gone. New Zealand yen is, as you can see, a whole different piece of cake and situation, and this has barely moved anything. So maybe we can plan for a buy early and then take it down if it hits the monthly area. I think that's maybe a better deal than selling it from here, though it would be awesome to sell it at around 44, around 144, but I don't believe it. I honestly don't believe it. We shall see. We'll look around those areas for my reversal patterns, 50 pips stop loss or more. And for this week, it's 141 or 141.600, I guess, 141.16 or 144.200. That's everything I can say. I really want to see how this first week moves. Maybe have a trade or two, but I don't want too much to happen. In this video, we've gone through monthly entries, monthly targets. Those are very important. Together with weekly entries for buy and for sell, that can become dynamite. That can even turn around a trend that's been going on forever. In this video, I've also said for every pair, at least 50 pips stop loss. I also want to tell you that I don't risk more than 1% per trade, maybe even 0.5%. So if I have $100, I don't risk more than 0.5%, $0.5. Of course, I don't have 100 in my account. And for my $50 account challenge, I have only 1 to 2 trade opens at any given time. And if it's profitable in one of them, then I can open one other one. Okay? Stay safe. Don't risk money you cannot afford to lose. In the in the comment section below. Please type if you learned anything from this. I believe this is massive learning points. Thank you for joining me. Don't risk money you cannot afford to lose. Until next time, stay safe.